Let's get started with the key programming using the X100PAD Elite tool. First, our device is already connected. We go into the key programming menu, select Toyota, and see three options: guided mode, expert mode, and other functions. Since we are doing an OK lost for 2020 Avalon, we will use guided mode. We select the model, which is the version of Avalon, and then choose Smart Key. Here, we are prompted to enter the VIN and turn on the hazard lights. Next, it asks if we've saved the immobilizer data. We are trying to do OK lost, so we select No to read it directly from the car. Now, it tells us to turn off the ignition but keep the hazard lights on. With that done, we hit OK. This process requires an internet connection, which we've already established. The immobilizer data has now been read and saved. We click OK. We have two options to proceed. Either use the SK1 emulator to generate a virtual key, or create a key directly with the Xtool key. Let's go with the SK1 method for OK lost. So, we select No to create a virtual key. It prompts us to connect the SK1 emulator and press the ignition once. The light blinks, indicating our virtual key is ready. We can now test this virtual key to see if it starts the car. Great, it works. Even without an original key, the emulator lets us start the car for emergencies. Now, let's add a new key. Using the emulator as a temporary key, we'll add an Xtool key. We click Yes to begin generating a new key with the emulator. We put the original key aside and place our new key here. This function requires either an original key or the emulator in OK lost cases, plus the new key we are adding. We click OK again. Currently, the vehicle has 4 programmed keys, but we should keep the total under 7. The next step requires a token card. So we input that and select OK. The calculation starts and waits for completed. Let's test if our new key starts the car. Success! The new key is fully functional.